Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Dr. Cat Can Code. In this video, I'm going to test the typing on the built-in keyboard of the Lenovo ThinkPad E15 Generation 2 using the AMD Ryzen chip 4500U. So in my previous video when I unboxed this new laptop, and I didn't have a good impression of the keyboard compared to my the built-in keyboard of the X230. I feel like even the X230 is a lot smaller laptop, but it has more but I feel like it has more travel distance in the keys of the built-in keyboard comparing to the travel distance of the keys in the built-in keyboard of the E15. And after a few days using the E15 built-in keyboard, I feel like it's not too bad. The main things that I dislike about this is the reordering of a couple of keys, and some keys are smaller, like the arrow keys are smaller. I hate it. The control key, the right control key, especially the right control key, is smaller as well. I also dislike that. Luckily, they didn't make the shift key smaller. I will get used to that, but and probably I will use external keyboard most of the time. However, one of the things that I really like about ThinkPad laptops is that their built-in keyboards are really high quality. Um, let's give this E15 keyboard a try to see if it perform well. Apart from some of the modification that I dislike, like the travel distance, the smaller size of some keys. Let's give it a try, and like a typing test to see if I can type fast in this built-in keyboard of the E15 or not. Okay, I'm going to start the typing process now. I use a website called typeracer.com, and I also turn on the microphone to capture the ambient sound, so it can capture the typing sound from the keys of the built-in keyboard of the E15 as well. Okay, let's begin. Enter typing race. Seventy work per minute guy for the first time. For the first ray on this keyboard, not too bad. So my typing speed is around 70 to 80 work per minute, and for I type a lot faster on an external keyboard, like a mechanical keyboard. But for a built-in laptop keyboard, especially for a new laptop that I'm not familiar with the layout of the keys, the travel distance of the key, and everything, the 73 work per minute is not too bad. Let's give it another few rays and see if I can maintain this average. My feeling is that the travel distance is still short, but that also saves sometimes, and it saves some. You don't have to press too hard to get the key register. Let me make this bigger a little bit. Okay, raise again. Okay. 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 Still 73 work per minute, exactly the same speed. So um, I'm not sure if you could hear the sounds from the keys very clearly, um, but I feel like it doesn't produce the same no level of noise compared to the X230. The typing feeling is not how to describe that. It's not super satisfied, but it's actually very efficient, and you can type fast on this keyboard. So that's probably the reason why they make a lot of changes to the keyboards and the layout of the modern ThinkPad as well. The bigger trackpad is definitely convenient. This is a big, of course, this is a 15.6 inches screen, so definitely the keyboard, the rest space, the palm resting space definitely is bigger than that of the X230. Uh, yes, so the keyboard is uh, the typing feeling is not as satisfying, but the efficiency is not so bad. Um, I could maintain almost my full speed on this new keyboard. Even I'm not used to it yet compared to my X230 because I type a lot on the X230. The other issues is I feel like the track pond, the red track pond of the E15 is a bit also is a bit uh, shorter. Like they make it flatter, closer to the surface to keep the laptop thin and the keyboard thin and everything thin. So I feel like it's also a bit not very satisfying moving the pointer around with this track pond. Yeah, so that's my feeling. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and hope you like this new video of Dr. Cat Can Code. And please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to see a newer video in the future. Thank you very much for watching again. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.